Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding friends in PubG Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To make things easier, you could get your friend to visit their profile page. Tap the 3 lines button beside their username and then tap the button to copy their username or user ID, and then send it to you. To add friends, go to the main dashboard screen and then tap the Friends area on the top left, underneath your username. On the Friends screen, tap the Add Friend icon. Now search for their username or character ID. If they already sent it to you, paste it here and then tap Search. Now just tap the Add Friend icon on their profile to send them a friend request. They will receive a friend request notification and be able to confirm it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PubG tips and tricks.